Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, numbers from 51 to 100. So in this chapter, new words, that is ones and tens. So we have already studied from the right hand side. First number is ones and the next number is tens. Then we have already studied more and less. Before, after, between. So this chapter is just a revision for you. Now numbers from 51 to 100. Let us learn numbers from 51 to 100 in counting order. Okay, we have already studied counting order, just in a proper order: 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and so on till 100. So now practice zone 1. What you have to do? Write the missing numbers. So this is your homework. So 52, 53. After 53, the number comes 54, then 55, then the number comes 56, 57, then 58, 59, 60, 61. Okay. Now here 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Like this way you have to complete this missing numbers. Now let's see the numbers and number names. From 51 to 60 it's given here. So you can count on this one. On this one stem there are 10 leaves. Okay. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 5 tens. 5 tens means what? 50. And one leaf separately. So 50 plus 1, 51. So 5, 1. 5 tens, 1 ones, that is equal to 51, and the number name is 51. Same for here. One, what we say, stem is of one bunch of leaves, one stick of leaves is of 10 leaves. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens plus 2 ones. Here separately 2 leaves are there. So 5 tens plus 2, that is 50. 5 tens, 2 tens, that is 52. Answer is, and the number name is 52. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3. So 5 tens and 3 ones, that is 53. Same 5, like this way. Then you can see the down one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and no separate leaves are there. It means 0 ones. So 6 tens, 0 ones is equal to 60, and the number name is 60. Now you can see here 61 to 70 and their number names. So you can see one group here of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 10 balls are there in the group. So how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one single ball. So 6 tens and 1 ones, that is 6 tens. 1 1 is equal to 61 and the number name is 61. Same here, 6 tens are there and 2 single balls are there. So means 6 tens and 2 ones, that is 62. Here 6 tens plus 3 balls, 3 ones, that is 6 tens and 3 ones, that is 63 and the number name is 63. 6 tens plus 4 ones means 6 tens 4 ones is 64. Then 6 tens plus 5 ones, that is 6 tens 5 ones is equal to 65 and the number is 65, and so on. And the last one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 7 tens and on ones nothing is there, it means 0 ones. So 7 tens 0 ones is equal to 70 and number name is 70. Now numbers from 71 to 80 and their number names. So here you can see on the flower how many petals are there. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So one flower is equal to 10 petals. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means what? 7 tens and 1 petal. So 7 tens plus 1 ones, that is equal to 71. Same here, 7 tens and here 2 petals are there. So it means 7 tens and 2 ones, that is 72. 7 tens plus 3 petals, that is 3 ones, means 7 tens 3 ones, 73. Same 7 tens and 4 petals, that is 7 tens 4 ones, that is 74 and number names is 74. Then 7 tens and 5 ones, 5 petals are there. So 7 tens 5 ones, 75 and number name is 75. Like this way only, so on. Now let's see the last one, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 tens and 0 ones. Okay, here ones nothing is there, it means 0. So 80 and the number name is 80. Now let's see the numbers 81 to 90 and their number names. Now you can see the bunch of grapes are there. In one bunch 10 grapes are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 tens and single 1 grape is there, that is ones. So 8 tens 1 1 is equal to 81 and the number name is 81. Same here, 8 bunch of grapes are there and 2 single grapes are there, means this is 2 ones. So 8 tens 2 ones is equal to 82 and the number name is 82. Same 8 bunch of grapes and 3 single, that is 3 grapes are there, means 3 ones. So 8 tens and 3 ones, that is 83 and the number name is 83. Here also 8 bunch of grapes and 4 ones are there. So 8 tens 4 ones is equal to 84. 8 tens and 5 ones, that is 85. Okay, same like this way. Now you can see the last one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 tens and no ones is there. So 9 tens 0 ones, that is 90. Now let's see numbers 91 to 100 and their number names. You can see here one this group or lines or columns you say is of 10 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and single one dot is there. So 9 tens plus 1 is equal to 91. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens and 2 ones, that is 92. 9 tens plus 3 ones, that is 93, and the number name is 93. Here 9 tens plus 4 ones, that is 94, and the number name is 94. Here 9 tens plus 5 ones, that is 95, and the number name is 95. It's like that, so on. And we'll see the last one. You know, this one column or one group of dots is of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens. 10 tens means what? It's 100. And here not single anything is there on ones. That's why 10 tens, 0 ones is equal to tens and 100, and the number name is 100. Now let's see the practice zone 2. Count the objects and write the numbers and their number names. One has been done for you. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 tens plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, that is 54, and the number is 54. So like this way, this is your homework. You have to complete this practice zone 2. Okay, so hope you have understood. Just a revision we have done. So thank you.